In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invite link in Skool. If you run a community on Skool, a shareable invite link is the quickest way to bring in new members. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, along with a few simple tips to keep things smooth. You'll just need access to the community's settings, which typically means you're an admin or have the right permissions. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Skool. When the results appear, click the official Skool website. Make sure the address is correct before you proceed so you know you're on the real site, not an ad or a lookalike. If you plan to return often, this is a good time to bookmark the homepage. Next, log in to your Skool account. Use the same account that's connected to the community you want to invite people to. If you have multiple sign-in options, pick the one you normally use. And if you run into a password issue, the standard forgot password flow will get you back in. After logging in, you should land right inside your community. If you manage more than one, double-check that you're in the correct space by looking for the community name and cover at the top. If needed, switch to the right one using the community selector in the interface. Now look along the top navigation bar and click the Settings button. It may appear as a gear icon. If you don't see settings, you likely don't have permission to manage invites, so you'll need to ask the community owner or an admin to grant access. Inside Settings, glance to the left-hand menu and select the Invite tab. This is where Skool keeps everything related to bringing new members into your community. On the Invite page, find the Shareable Link section. You'll see a dedicated field with your community's invite URL. Click the Copy button to place the link on your clipboard. A quick tip: open a private or incognito window and paste the link there to make sure it loads the expected join page without using your current login. You can now paste this link anywhere you want to invite people to join: on social media, in direct messages, on your website, or inside your email newsletter. For best results, include a short line that explains what your community is about and who it's for. That context helps people know they're in the right place before clicking. That's it. Open Skool, log in, head to Settings, grab your shareable link from the Invite tab, and share it wherever your audience is. Thanks for watching, and happy community building.